Sound of vowel I. Short sound. Kit. Kit has short I sound. Kit sounds like fit. Phonic practice. Bin, fin, pin, tin. Dig, mig, pig, wig. Dim, rim, tim, whim. Dip, lip, sip, zip. Bill, hill, pill, will. Long sound. Kite. Letter E keeps mute, but makes I sound long. Phonic practice. Dine, fine, line, pine. Dice, lice, mice, rice. File, mile, pile, smile. Bite, kite, write, sight. Dive, five, hive, drive.